Decadent Mocha Fudge Cheesecake recipe. Indulge your sweet tooth. Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're whipping up something truly indulgent and irresistible. Mocha Fudge Cheesecake. Get ready to satisfy your sweet cravings with this heavenly dessert. Ingredients. 1½ cups chocolate cookie crumbs. 1/4 cup melted butter. 3/8 ounces packages cream cheese, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 3 large eggs. 1/4 cup brewed espresso or strong coffee, cooled. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, melted. 1/4 cup heavy cream. Whipped cream and chocolate shavings for garnish. Instructions. Start by combining your chocolate cookie crumbs with melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a springform pan and chill it in the fridge while we prepare the filling. In a mixing bowl, blend together cream cheese and sugar until smooth. Add eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Now, pour in the cooled espresso and vanilla extract, giving it a rich mocha flavor. For an extra dose of decadence, melt some chocolate chips with heavy cream until smooth. Then, fold this luscious mixture into your cheesecake batter, creating swirls of fudgy goodness. Once your batter is ready, pour it over the chilled crust in the springform pan, spreading it evenly. Give the pan a gentle tap to release any air bubbles, then pop it into a preheated oven and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 55–60 minutes, or until the center is set. Once baked, let your cheesecake cool completely, then chill it in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight for best results. And there you have it, a slice of pure indulgence. Creamy cheesecake with a hint of mocha, swirled with rich fudge, and topped with whipped cream and chocolate shavings. Perfect for any occasion or simply to treat yourself. Trust me, one bite of this mocha fudge cheesecake and you'll be in dessert heaven. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy baking. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.